Training staff for a pop-up drink stand comes down to 3 things. Teach them the recipes cold, teach them the speed moves for a rush, and teach them how to talk to a customer in under 10 seconds. Get those 3 locked in before opening day and everything else falls into place. Here's something most stand owners never think about. The biggest slowdown at a pop-up is not the drink making, it is the decision making. So instead of just showing staff how to make a lemonade or a smoothie, build what is called a flowchart in their head. Walk them through every single choice a customer could make, size, flavor, add-ons, and have them practice saying it back before they even touch a cup. Run practice rounds where you shout out a fake order and time how fast they can repeat it and start building it. Also teach them the 2-minute rule. If a drink is taking longer than 2 minutes, they call for backup instead of struggling alone. This single habit prevents almost every bottleneck you will ever see at a small stand. One mistake people make is training staff only when things are calm, so the first time they ever feel real pressure is on a busy weekend, and that is when mistakes happen. Fix this by running a fake rush during training, stack up 10 pretend orders in a row and make them work through it. Another common issue is staff guessing on portions instead of measuring, which quietly eats your profit all day long. Give every new hire a simple visual guide like a marked cup, so guessing is never even an option. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.